Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off the charging animation on your Redmi device or any Android device. For this video, I will be using a Samsung phone, but it will surely work on your Redmi device too. First, unlock your device and open the Settings app. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, look for Visibility Enhancement and select it. Next, find the option for Remove Animations. Toggle the setting on. Once you've done that, you can exit the settings. And that's it! You've successfully turned off the charging animation on your Redmi device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!